Okay.
Thank you. My supervisor didn't come out of nowhere. He might say something to you too, so I had to warn you first.
Okay. Thank you. Today is the day of the install, and we have the truck and we are about to load it. First, we like to do a quick check on the truck, so that's what we're about to do. And then we're gonna load all these. A funny story about this project is that we actually got a call in last minute to come out and install this sign. So it was last minute and it was a night shift. So on a Saturday. So with all those elements coming in, we just happened to have a small gap in the schedule for this Saturday. So we went ahead and took it, and now we're out here.
I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick, yeah. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Okay, I'ma hit the 20 off a laptop. In a Zoom meeting, making money is my backdrop. Ballpoint base hit harder than a slap shot. Flew out my baby, told her around me like I'm Epcot.
Alright, what is up everybody? It is June with Rey Signs. We don't just build signs, we build brands, and today we are out on the Levi's install. So let's get to work because we got a lot of things to do and we're gonna be here all night. Let's go.
Vamos a editar para cortar. Vamos a... Ya sé, está atornillado, mija, ya lo chequeé yo todo.
Okay, yeah, we're good then.
Aceleras, lo que te dije,
Alright, so let me give you guys the game plan for today. I have here all the maps and graphics and stuff that's going on. So basically, alright, so like I said, I have all the maps and diagrams of what we got going on here. But this is the Levi signs we're installing. It's basically just the logo. And what we need to do is put it on the front side of the beams on the front side of the store. And well, the beams they sent us weren't the right size, so we're having to cut, chop, get things together, put things custom, build them out here on the field. And that takes a lot of extra time, a lot of extra work, but it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
But this is what we're working with today, or tonight. The process of, we already measured the beam area which this beam is going to go on, but it doesn't match up. They sent us the wrong size, but that's okay. We're going to cut it down to fit the right size, so we're in the process of getting everything cut right now.
I need to tell you, I was bad, Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me.
Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I copped that cribbo for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows into the flight.
As you saw, we're done cutting up the first beam, and right now we are taking off the little brackets that are on the sides where it's going to be actually hung from. We're taking those off and we're going to customize them to this new beam, and once that's done, then we're ready to go. So let's see what the guys have. Right now we're screwing on the plates, the side plates. Since we have the custom cut, now we have the custom with the sizing of things, so we're going back to correct the sizing and then trying to put it back up again. But yeah, just a teeny fraction off and it'll ruin the whole thing, so we're gonna run this again. Okay, now for real, all the cuts are done, all the measuring is done. It's time to activate this bar for real now.
Que me falta, necesito tu paciencia, hablando rico, hablando caro, con mi mente clara, hay muchas bendiciones que me falta, necesito tu paciencia, hablando rico, hablando caro, con mi mente clara, I don't feel the pressure, I get to that check quick. My niggas wanna test me, wow, they cannot be less lit. I come from that left side, won't move without discretion. These niggas from that block come for that top if you're not careful. When shawty make that dress fit, she doing something special, say she like to take direction. We both knowing what I said is, so I'm threaded on 11. These boys ain't got the leverage, when they come to you, you know I set the tone when I'm in it, yeah. Fly with child thug from the bottom of the sinkhole. You can find me at the end of that pre-roll. Shawty record her thrills on a cell phone. I'm in the moment, I ain't worried about that B-roll. You know I'm on you. Let me get that mood boost. Fall through when the sun go down. I could tell you want me to. I just touched down in.
Alright, so it is about to be 1 a.m. and we are just doing the second sign right now. That's how it is with the late night installs. You'll probably be here all night long, but it is what it is. It's that overtime. It's that emergency call. We were actually called in like 2 days ago to come install this Levis sign. So hey, sometimes you gotta do clutch moves, and this is what we're doing right now. It's cold, it's dark, but we still on grind. Right, Kevin?
Yeah.
My boy is
that
tired.
Sounds about right.
My boy's tired, but
my arm is tired.
Your arm's tired?
My left hand.
Hay muchas bendiciones que me falta. Necesito tu paciencia, hablando rico, hablando cara, con mi mente clara,
Hay muchas bendiciones que me falta. Necesito tu paciencia, hablando rico, hablando caro, con mi mente clara, Tu paciencia,
quickly, can you separate these for me?
Hey yo, hablando muy carito, yeah, I'm talking heavy spice. Un poquito de mi salsa leave you feeling really nice. Estoy caliente, simplemente estoy caliente. Sobreviviendo, mami, tú sé que yo lo haga. No me habla, ¿quién eres tú si tú no me pagas? Ya lo sé, estoy caliente, simplemente estoy caliente. Dale.
Hay muchas bendiciones que me faltan. Necesito tu paciencia, hablando rico, hablando caro, con mi mente clara,
Hay muchas bendiciones que me faltan.
Necesito tu paciencia,
Hablando rico,
hablando caro, con mi mente clara,
hay muchas bendiciones que me faltan.
Necesito tu paciencia,
Hablando rico, hablando caro, con mi mente clara,
Alright, what is up everybody? It is June with Rey Signs, and it is now to the end of today's episode. So make sure you guys give it a like. We worked really hard. It's cold, it's late, so we would really appreciate the likes. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel where you can catch up on all the things related to sign business, whether it be installations, whether it be production, whether it be just design wise. And also hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever we post our videos. We typically like to post our videos on Sundays, and stay tuned for that, for the new episodes that are coming out. You guys have a great one. Have a good night. Stay warm, and